What's up, homies?
Hi, people. My sister's back for a video. Yay!
Yay! I'm off of work.
And I told you that I was going to post a video with my shirt that I got one from Toby Turner. Well, here it is. The best shirt ever. Love this shirt. So awesome.
And Toby Turner rocks.
Yes, he does.
Two buskets. Sorry, just had to do that.
I did that last time.
I know, but it's just fun to do.
People should go watch his videos. Just saying.
Sorry, yeah.
Toby Turner and turtles are taking over the world.
Yes.
Right.
Totally. And I am tired.
Yes. She's been at work for over 8 hours, for like 9 hours or something.
I was there for 9.5 hours.
Yes, that's right. I fortunately have no job right now.
And I think we should have brought Shelby back here.
I'll go get him.
You should.
Okay. Be right back.
She's going to get our baby. Hee hee hee. This hat don't want to stay on, but I love it so much. It's so awesome. And okay, just saying, when songs get stuck in my head, it drives me crazy. I don't care if I love the song or if I hate the song. It just drives me crazy because it's usually just like one line over and over and over again, stuck in my head repeatedly. Drives me crazy. And yeah, I'm being random today, but that is okay because it's fun. And I'm probably gonna go to bed in a few minutes. Because I'm sleepy and gotta work tomorrow too. Yada yada yada. And here the baby is. Here he is. The sweetheart.
The most beautiful turtle ever.
Close up time.
Well, he's the most beautiful turtle ever to me. But maybe I'm biased.
Yeah, we definitely are.
But there's nothing wrong with that. Because he's our baby. We love him. So beautiful. Hi. Hi. Yeah, we talk crazy to our turtle.
Like this video if you love turtles.
Yeah. Hi, Shelly.
Nut.
I am. He's taking over. He's rooting us out. Rooting us out. No, I'm kidding. Hey, love you, baby. You might should go put him back up now. Here. Bye bye, baby. She had to go put him up because he's all feisty and wants to crawl around. He's a silly turtle. And I love him. Hee hee. And I'm itchy. Had a long day. And I have no idea what to say now. Maybe I'll just say beep, chicken, turtle. I don't know. Ha. Ah. But yeah, glad to be home and I am really tired. Best shirt ever. I'm just saying. Yeah, it's the best shirt ever. Or maybe it's not. Well, I don't know. My turtle shirt's pretty goddamn cute. That's true. Turtle rule. Oh, and some other people with videos you should watch. Like Dave Days, yeah, you should watch his videos. They're awesome. Venetian Princess, oh yeah, awesomeness. Oh,
Delicious cinnamon.
delicious cinnamon.
Sweet Vietnamese crystal. Pokemon.
Yeah, hilarious. So hilarious. Oh, and who else? Who else we should watch? Who else? Can you help me out here?
Too many people.
There's just way too many good people on YouTube. And just a lot of hilariousness around YouTube going on. That's why I love YouTube so much.
Yes.
But that's not the only reason. Because they also have all my favorite music on here.
And something fell.
Exploding. No, I wish there was explosion. Yeah. Explode! Yes, I know. I'm immature. But I don't care. It's fun to be immature.
Yep.
It really is fun. I don't care if I act younger than I really am.
Mm. By the way, I poked you all. Poke, poke, poke. And a poker.
Hell!
Sorry, poke wars are fun. I poke everybody. Poke. Now I give you all evil monkey look.
Family Guy's awesome.
Woohoo!
And I got nothing else to say.
I know. Trying to make the vlog, but it's hard to come up with things to say.
We just we don't make a script. We just try to worry of what we're gonna say. We don't even come up with an idea of what we're gonna say. We just start talking
Yeah.
just to see what we come up with.
Boo! Sorry.
We should go eat couches.
Couches.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
That's alright.
Ah, inside jokes. Gotta love inside jokes. Gotta love turtles. Yes, I keep saying this, but it's because they're awesome.
Love them. Or else. I'm kidding. But no, seriously, you should love them.
They're adorable and cute. This is basically the same thing, but I don't care.
Oh, how I love thy turtles.
Foot itches.
No, seriously. We really need to make a video where we're doing interesting things, except for just instead of just staying in one spot, we do like a video with Matt or more places, go to different places.
Whee! I don't know. I just felt like doing that. Just silly person. I need to grow up. Hey, at least I have a job. And I'm gonna go to college soon.
Yes, hopefully.
No, college is good. Yes, I know. I don't look old enough to go to college.
But we are. Okay.
Oh, and just gonna say I'm totally blessed in life. I have such amazing family and amazing friends. I love them so much.
And Shelby.
And Shelby, yes, of course. He's awesome. And it's all thanks to God. Love him. Me too. I love God.
I think we should end this video before it gets too freaking long.
Yes, we should. Well, bye everybody.
And we're kind of rambling anyway.
Yes, I know. Bye everybody. Love you.
Love you, peoples. You're not good at making the hearts right. Are you? Yay! I did it.
See ya.
Bye
Peace out.
bye.
We might make a singing video soon. And there's another video we're gonna post soon with Kelsey that we didn't get to post yet, but she's not here, but we just didn't get to post it yet.
You mean Kate Tizzle? You just ruined the whole video.
It doesn't matter what her name is.
Kate Tizzle.
It's Kelsey, so what?
Whatever. Bye, people.